Nasolabial folds are lines or creases which run basically from the side of the nose to the corner of the mouth. Now these lines are basically seen while smiling or laughing, also called as smile lines or laughing lines. But with gradually period of age, when there is loss of cheekbone volume and when there is increased exposure to smoking or sunlight, these lines comparatively become permanent. Now there are various methods to decrease the appearance of these lines, the most common being a facelift, and also if there is loss of volume in around the cheekbone, by giving cheek filler. But these do not give an immediate effect of totally eliminate these lines. So a very good procedure to eliminate these lines completely is filling the pyriform aperture directly, as you can see when you see this case.